Hello, I'm Ronik Patel. I want to talk about Figma to a code. This is the topic that's been highlighted in the last couple of years a lot because after the arrival of LLM and the large language models, people have been experimenting how can we give designs to LLM models and it will help you code. There are numerous tools out there that they claim that you simply give your design, Figma being the most used design tool right now. That's why the topic Figma to code. So idea is here that you give a link to your Figma file and it will generate a code for you. Now, if you have used those third-party tools, then likely you have found that they're good, but they're not that good that you can start using them right now. So we see developers day to day that they are utilizing these tools, but not to the fullest capacity. So one of the developer from our team, just out of curiosity, we brainstormed that what happens if you build such tool Figma to code, but you do it for a particular project. The reason why the mainstream third-party tools are not working because they don't have the particular context about your application or your website. So, I love lovable tools. People who haven't tried it, they should use something like Lovable. VO is awesome. All these tools are awesome, but they don't understand the context of your particular business, the particular code that you have already done to build something on top of it. So what we did is we built a customized version of Figma to code, and I'll put a link out there. I will put it out on the GitHub for anybody who wants to pick that work up and then customize it for their own use case. Here, what we do is we build a multi-step process where first you drop your Figma URL. From that, we pick up all the design elements and HTML gets generated. Then in the next step from that HTML, all your React components gets generated. Once the React components are generated, then you build out the APIs for whichever areas in your page that you want dynamic, you want the data to come from the database. Once those APIs are generated, in the last step, your node backend code is generated. In a very, very last step, you put all this together and you do get something that can be used in the production as we have experienced it. Now, what happens at each of these steps, there is a system prompt that is given. In that system prompt, we are giving a lot more information about what the project is, what our file structure is, how we like it to code. Once we provided that information, we got the output that was far, far, far better than what the mainstream tools are able to do. We're not doing anything special. We have just broken down the process here and given a better system prompt. So if you have a project that's been just running for a long time, it will make sense to invest into building the system prompts. And when I say invest, it doesn't mean you need to put up money. It's just that you will probably have to put a couple hours to build those prompts, and that couple of hours will help you for the next 3 months. One important step here for the very first step about going from Figma URL to building out that HTML, whatever you have experienced, likely it doesn't create pixel perfect. In our experiment, we also see that it's not pixel perfect, but it's very close to that. And how we were able to achieve that, it's all about what work you do on your Figma file. Any design files, you can't give it because design files have a layers, there is groups, there is an auto layout. There are several things that have to be set right from the get-go in order for when the Figma file extraction happens using the Figma API, all those individual layers, components, and elements of your designs could be better understood by LLM model to build out their HTML for it. So there's some guidelines that you have to follow in order to make sure that the designs are properly converted from design to your HTML code. But in practice, we have done it and this works. I would encourage everyone to start trying this out, either using third-party tools or building a custom solution for yourself. Thank you for listening.